Just finished welding up the sprockets and cutting the ends of the shafts. We should probably sand these or grind it down a little bit, which we might do. This is also welded. You can see. I know my camera's like upside down. I don't know why I'm recording it like that. There it is. All welded up. Needs a little grinded down, but she's looking good. So now,
gas, airbox.
Yeah, we gotta cut up the airbox a little bit, and we gotta figure out the gas tank. And I don't know what to do. And I really want to write. What?
We don't want to wait for it.
Yeah, we don't want to wait, but
might have to.
Yeah, or we could just tie the old gas tank. I mean,
it might work.
We might. I don't know. I guess you guys will see.
Yeah.
Probably sooner than us. Okay. Well, we'll figure out something maybe. So I'm pretty sure the mini quad is completely ready to go other than the gas tank. So we need to figure out the gas tank. Then we can ride it.
Yeah.
It's getting fairly late. So probably won't happen tonight unless we come up with something for this. Just wanted to let y'all know we got both the foot things on so they can get a little bit more grip. Got the airbox sliced in there if y'all can see it. Got this one on. Throttle's working. Got the seat on there. I believe everything's ready to go.
We gotta do something about this.
Yeah,
bushing.
needs a bushing.
I mean, it's rideable.
It's rideable.
It'll be fine.
The other one was a lot worse.
It just had nothing.
Yeah, we come over here. Well, it might be too dark for y'all to see, but she's rough.
There's just nothing. There's nothing there.
It worked though.
For a couple weeks.
So we're downgrading to single arms, unfortunately.
Yeah, that's the only downfall.
And off camera, I was being stupid and squatting the suspension with my feet on this grab bar, and it bent it. You can see where where it's all messed up there, but we just bent it back up, so should work good.
For that.
Yeah, we got a welder. We'll figure it out.
Nothing broke yet.
Nothing broke yet. But all the belt, chains, they run good when you push it back and forth. So we're ready to go. Well, I'll definitely record again if we are able to think of something for the gas tank. But hey everybody, so here it is in its entirety. So our solution to the gas was we just have this black line running to the carburetor. And then the second line is just running up as like a vent. So I don't see why, yeah, I mean, there's a little bit of gas in it right now, but it shouldn't go up any higher, I wouldn't think. I mean, we aren't professionals, but it is slowly going up as you fill it.
It is.
It'll be fine. Just don't put too much in it.
At least we can get a test run.
Yeah, so we're about to try to start it up. I mean, this engine's been started before, but it's been a while.
We're gonna put it up against pole because one time we put this engine on something and it did a backflip.
Yeah.
Without anyone on it and about took off. So.
Yeah, it did a backflip and a few donuts and stuff. It was a good time.
I just stood back laughing. He tried to actually save it.
Yeah.
I was just gonna let it go.
So, I guess how many pulls?
Push it up against.
Oh yeah. Ugh, we're in a barn. We're about to get fumed out.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a little too dark for a test ride right now, so we'll have to wait till the next video on that.
Yeah. Let it run.
We need to work on the throttle.
A little bit.
It's turning the wheels. Open her up.
It's definitely delayed.
Well, there we are. It seems to be working. I mean, the gas is just hitting steady right there, so I don't know, a little bit might pop out if we hit a jump or we're going crazy, but I don't think it's nothing to worry about.
It's at least a temporary fix.
I don't like the throttle right now.
Yeah, that needs to change.
Really don't like that. It's delayed.
It's pretty stiff.
Real stiff and it's delayed, but we'll figure it out. But she's a runner. She's got brakes.
Ish.
She's got pretty good brakes.
Just a little leak.
Yeah, a little leak. It's all right.
Add some fluid. It'll be fine.
Yep, just keep a bottle with you. Zip tied on there somewhere. Well, yeah, have to work on the thumb throttle.
Yeah.
Might go back to, on our old one, we used a front brake lever as the throttle, so you just pull it in and you go. It might be what we have to do, even though we wanted a thumb throttle.
We just do it to make all of our friends not be able to ride it. Scare the crap out of them. Try and hit the brakes and just keep going.
She looks pretty good, though. She sits good on here, nice and comfy. Sort of does feel like a mini sport quad. You got decent room, too. Plenty of grip on the foot pegs.
For how small it is, it's pretty, like, comfortable.
Yeah.
Hopefully the gas tank's not dirty.
Yeah, hopefully not. We got this little gauge here in this key, but it don't do nothing because that's for the stock wiring harness and everything. Well, we'll see you guys in the next video when we take it for a test ride. We may or may not change the throttle up before that.
Yeah.
Probably, hopefully. Well, we'll see you guys. Bye.